So you can see that in the lower side of the kidney, there is the dark red in color, and the inner side is pale color. You can see this yellowish pale color from the inner side, and this outer side is dark brown. Can you all see this different? Can you all differentiate this color of the
Yes,
inner
ma'am.
and outer side?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so there are three tubes that are coming out of from the fissure of the kidney. You can even see these three tubes. So let us see what these tubes are. And how many kidneys are, yes, Ansar, can you read what is written here?
In human beings, there are a pair of kidneys in the abdominal cavity attached to the dorsal body wall. One on either side of the backbone. They are bean shaped, reddish brown in color.
Okay, so what do you understand? Can you tell me where is the kidney situated in the human body?
Back side, ma'am.
बैक साइड ऑफ
Backbone.
योर, हाँ, बैकबोन, पीछे जो आपका बैकबोन है उसके दो साइड्स पे इट इज अटैच्ड. And can anybody tell me, not Ansar, others can tell me what is the shape of the kidney?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Bean shape. Bean.
it is bean. So have you ever seen a
Yes.
bean?
Yes,
Bean
ma'am.
Yes,
मतलब
ma'am.
कैसा रहता है, you know ना? You have seen a rajma
Yes, ma'am.
bean और फली के अंदर जो बीन्स रहता है. So that would be inside. Same की फली का जो bean, you can see it very clearly. So उसका shape same, similar to that it is. Okay. And बाहर, just now you have seen it कि outside is reddish and inside it is pale in color. And abdominal cavity में at the back side of the abdominal cavity it is situated. Yeah. So the one which is marked, you can see it clearly over here. These are the kidneys that are attached. And now, Ramsha, can you read? What does it mean?
Yes, the right kidney is placed slightly lower than the left kidney due to the presence of liver above. The size of the kidney is 10 centimeter in length.
Okay, can you tell me what did you understand from this?
Yes, the right kidney is placed slightly lower than the left kidney because of the presence of liver which is above, and the size of the kidney is 10 centimeter in length.
So can you see I'll just use this color. You can see this is already been explained here. Yeah. Where is 1 second spotlight? Okay. So you can see this is what you can see it, no? Clearly. So this
Yes.
right kidney is a little below in position. When both these kidneys are present on the dorsal side, you find this right kidney below because of the presence of liver. Can you see liver here? Where is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is it? Can anybody tell me कि उसका position कहाँ है when we are saying that the liver is present? So where is it present?
Above.
It is
Kidney के
present
ऊपर.
above the right kidney. Yes, very good. So this is the liver. Okay. So it's present above the kidney. That is the reason it is situated a little below when you compare to the left kidney. Left kidney is above to the right kidney. And the position is made like this because of liver
Liver.
present over there. Okay. And now what is the size of the kidney?
10 centimeter.
Yes, it will be 10 centimeter. And most of the time, that's what, if the size increases also, that shows that the retention is of water. During a scannings, mostly the doctor says the size of the kidney hydronephrosis. Because of water content in it, the size of the kidney increases. It should not increase more than 10 centimeter. If it is increasing more than 10 centimeters, that means there has been some, medical issues with the person. Now,
मैम वो किडनी साइज में बड़ी कैसे होती?
water then
साइज में, हाँ, अगर उसके अंदर वाटर रिटेंशन होना, किडनीज फंक्शन इज टू रिमूव ऑल एक्सेसिव टॉक्सिन्स फ्रॉम द बॉडी. लेकिन वो टॉक्सिन्स अगर आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा लेते जा रहे हैं, लाइक you have got there is a resting time that what nature has made you have to sleep early in the at night, and you need to have 8 hours sleep. So during that time, internal organs are all getting repaired, and the type of foods you have to eat nutritious foods. So most of the people who are taking a lot of salts, junks like pizzas, burgers, all these outside foods, which has got a lot of fats and salts into it. Fats, if you are eating more fats, liver get damaged, and then more salts will damage your kidney. So then the kidney's functions will start deteriorating, and if it starts deteriorating, the water will be, instead of getting excreted out into the bladder, it will remain inside the kidney only. That is the reason the size increases. Or sometimes, if you are taking a lot of calcium and the uric, from where do you get uric acid? Which foods, if you are eating, you'll get more? Which food, if you are eating more, you will have uric acid in your body? Can anybody tell me?
यूरिक एसिड.
Me,
Huh? If you are eating a lot of,
App.
yes?
Me.
Hmm?
Orange.
Pardon, I didn't get you. Yes, earlier classes also we discussed about it. It is present in the red meat. If every day, red meat also, you have to eat it once in a week, or sometimes, every day, if you are eating lot of red meat, then this kidney problems starts. And stone, if you are taking lot calcium also, calcium, uric acid, the stones could be more. Excess of uric acid can form a stone, or excess of calcium, if you are taking, it can form stone. So magnesium, potassium, whichever the mineral which is excess and the kidney cannot excrete out, that start stagnating inside in the form of stones. So that's how the size increases. Now I want Aisha to read this and explain what do you understand from this. Yes, Aisha, are you reading? Yes.
5.6 centimeter breadth and 4 centimeter in thickness. Each kidney is covered on the other side and concave on the inner side.
So what do you understand from this? Anybody who would like to explain this?
Ma'am, can I, ma'am?
Yes.
Kidneys breadth size 5.6 centimeter and thickness 4 centimeter. Each kidney is covered on the other side. Other guards concave on the inner side.
Yeah. So when we are talking about the breadth, are we talking about this or this? Which is the breadth?
Yes.
Breadth
Size
is from to left to right.
from left to right. This is
Right.
breadth. 5.6 centimeter is this. And then what is thickness? 4 centimeter thickness.
Yes.
Thickness, how are you measuring? Yeah. Thickness will be this one,
4
this much portion, which you are going to check. Okay.
Yes.
So, and what is concave? And the kidney is covered on other side, and it is concave inside. Yahan par you have learned about concave mirrors and convex mirrors, reflection and refraction is over. So, can you identify the shapes between concave and convex?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So, is kidney inside is concave? Is it convex also in on other side, or
No,
only
ma'am.
concave?
Yes, it is convex. Also.
One is convex.
Yes, so you can even see that the outer side is convex, whereas inner side is concave.
Okay. Yes,
No.
that's what I said.
Now, Ashas,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, Ashas, can you explain this?
Yes, ma'am. The inner side of each kidney has fissure or hilus for the entry of a
Fissure or
renal
hilus? You
artery.
call it either fissure or hilus. Okay.
Fissure or hilus for
Hilus.
the entry.
Hmm.
Hilus.
Okay, hilus. Yeah, read this.
Huh?
Where is it? Here,
Yes.
yes.
For the entry of a renal artery, exist of a renal vein and an urea.
And an
Urea.
ureter. Okay.
Ureter.
So what does it mean?
The inner side of a kidney, of each kidney, has a fissure or hilus.
Fissure or hilus.
Hilus.
So where do you see that fissure or hilus?
In the
Yeah, inner
right
side. Yahan par
fissure.
you are seeing that this is the inner side. Okay. So it has got
Yes.
ye andar ke side mein fissure like hai. Yes, you can see this group.
Fissure.
So wo kya ke liye hai? Why do we have that?
For the entry of renal artery.
So what does renal artery do?
This
Arteries.
blue
What are the function of arteries?
to blood
Carry-
circulation.
Yeah, which blood is it carrying?
Like oxygenated, oxygenated and
Deoxygenated.
Yeah, so this
antioxidant.
artery, renal artery is carrying oxygenated blood or deoxygenated blood?
Yes, ma'am.
Which blood is it carrying? Renal artery. Renal means I told you the name kidney is English name, whereas renal is Latin name. So you are saying Latin or Greek it would be. So renal also don't get confused. It is nothing but kidney only. It is related to kidney. Okay. So renal artery. So arteries carry which type of blood? Oxygenated blood. So from where is this renal artery coming? It is coming from the aorta, heart. Okay. So it is supplying pure blood to the kidney. Then what else do you find in the fissures? You can even see the these are the fissures. One thing is you are seeing renal arteries, and what is the other thing that is entering inside it? Can you see this? What is this? What is this? ये बड़ा वाला जो जा रहा है, blue colored.
Ureter.
Blue is ureter. What is the next? It exit of a, वहां से
Renal
what else is
vein.
exiting?
Renal
Renal
vein
vein.
and
हाँ.
impurity. Yeah.
So renal vein will carry deoxygenated blood, okay, which has to be again purified, and a part of it will be excreted out, and some part of it will be, again go back for purification to the lungs and the heart.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now Safi.
Ma'am, then what is ureter?
Ureter is from the kidney. This one you can see here. This is coming out. This is ureter. Can you all see this? Here I'm
Yes,
marking.
ma'am.
These are ureters. So this is a vein, and these are arteries, and this yellow one which you are seeing is the ureter, which excretes all the excreta, urine, and out from the kidney from ureter. So you can see ureter also, it was clearly meant. Would you like to draw this diagram so that you remember it well? No. Yes, please draw it and understand all the parts. Aziz is not there. Safi, please read it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Renal outake beginning oxygenated body
Blood.
blood loaded with waste produces and
Products.
and renal vein carries oxygenated blood.
Yeah. So what do you understand from this, Safi? Can you tell me? Renal artery brings oxygenated blood loaded with waste products, and renal vein carries deoxygenated blood. So what do you understand by this? Can you explain? Yes, is Safi here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what do you understand? इससे क्या समझ में आया आपको? हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करिए, उर्दू में मत करिए, इंग्लिश में मत करिए, उर्दू में करिए, हिंदी में करिए, तेलुगु में, whichever language is convenient for you. Rahim, can you? Just now I have told you oxygenated blood artery which is carrying. So it's loaded with what?
Loaded with oxygenated blood.
Loaded with waste products. It's oxygenated. As I told you, you have got some nutrient that has to be supplied. Blood has to be supplied. Pure oxygenated blood has to be supplied to the kidney for its functioning. Along with that, it also contains waste products, and that has to be excreted out, carried out from the deoxygenated veins, renal veins.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Rahim,
Yes, ma'am.
please read this and explain.
The waste product generated in various organs of the body are filtrated and removed in the kidneys.
Are filtered and removed in the kidneys. So, what do you understand from this? Who can explain this? When you have read it, who could understand what does it mean?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. White blood.
What
Can I
is?
explain?
Yes.
The waste products generated in various organs of the body are filtered and removed in the kidneys.
That you are reading. Can you explain what does it? What do you understand from this?
Yes, first I read it. So it is saying that the waste products generated in all the organs, various organs of the body, first they are filtered, then they are removed in the kidneys.
From the kidneys, it's removed. So that is the reason. What do we call kidney? Which organ is kidney? Function of kidney is?
You're removing.
So what do we call it? This removing is called as, what is the name of your chapter?
Excretion.
Excretion.
Organism.
So that is the reason from your body, all the organs that are generating the waste products that are filtered and removed by the kidneys. That is the reason we call kidneys as the excretory organs.
Yes.
You can see how this exchange is taking place from arteries to veins. So now let us see that you have just seen from outside. Again, how are the kidneys? As I told you that every spatial tissues or the cells, that the unit cells that does the functioning have got a spatialized structure to perform this function. So let us see, kidney is made up of cell called nephron. So until and unless you do not understand the structure of nephron, you cannot understand how kidneys function. So let us see the internal or structure of the kidney. And as you know that it has shown two distinct regions. One is outer and where the other is inner. And then this outer one, which is red in color, we call it cortex. And the one which is pale in a color, that is called as medulla. So in medulla, you see 9 to 12 inverted pyramid-like structure with their broad base towards the cortex and narrow towards the pelvis. So you can see this. These are there are million of microscopic thin tubular functional units, and these are called nephrons or uninephros tubules. Okay, so you can see inside this you find there million of microscopic this type of cells which are doing the functioning of filtering. Please note it down. It is very important. The functional unit of the kidney is called nephrons. Most of the time you will be getting it into in your objectives, as well as you should know which is the functional unit of the kidney, which is doing all this. So when all this, that is the reason it's the importance of the teamwork. If all the nephrons, millions of nephrons together, if they are working, then only, they will be able to do it. If any one of it is also few of nephrons stop working, then the functioning of the kidney will be disturbed and it stops. What is the functional unit of kidney? You have written it just now. Yes, what's the functional unit of kidney?
Nephrons.
Nephrons. So nephrons are the main functional unit. So we have to study the structure of nephron now.
Yes.
So yeah. Aisha, will you please read this?
The structural units of kidney are long tubules called nephrons. These are
Tubules.
responsible for tubules called nephrons. These are responsible for urine formation.
So our long tubules, you call it tubules. So the structural unit of kidney have got long tubules, and these tubules are called nephrons. And they are responsible for the formation of urine. So the functioning of these nephrons are very important to form urine. If these nephrons cannot function, then urine formation cannot happen, and all toxins cannot be excreted out of our body. Yes, Aziz, read this.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes,
Ma'am,
please.
can I?
Who has
In
not?
human kidney,
Hmm.
in human kidney, there are about more than 1 million microscope and thin tubular functional units.
So in human kidney, there are more than 1 million. So what are their functional units? Called? What do we call it?
Tubular functional units.
Microscope and thin tubular functional units.
What is the name? Just now we have named it. What is it called? It is
Excretory organ.
nephron.
Nephron.
Yes, very good. It's called nephron.
Nephron.
So now this we have got only 1 minute left. So anytime it could stop. Now each nephron or uniferous tubule has basically got two parts. So let us see what are the two parts of this nephron. So it's a Malpighian tube body it has got, and a renal tubule. We have got only 1 minute, and this is very important structure. So we'll continue the structure of the nephron in the next class. Before that, I want you all to observe the kidney and make a video of it and send it to me. So in that, you know, if you can look into the calyx of it, you can see small nephrons. You just try to see, will you be able to recognize its shape? And when you come to the school, you can ask Durga madam, so that you know you can see its shape even under the microscope. We do have already got slides. Through that slides, you can see this nephron. Or else if you can cut and check that also, you can put it in the slide and observe it under the microscope.
Okay.
Okay, till now, if you have got, we have got 1 minute more left. If you have any doubts, please ask.